Welcome back to Luxury 1272, the channel where we explore the most exciting and luxurious vehicles in the world. Today, we have something truly special, an in-depth look at the 2025 Kia Motorhome. Kia has long been known for its innovation and reliability in the automotive industry, but with the introduction of this motorhome, they are taking things to an entirely new level. This motorhome is a perfect blend of modern design, advanced technology, and premium comfort. Whether you are an adventurer looking for the ideal travel companion or a luxury enthusiast wanting the best on-the-road experience, this vehicle delivers. In this video, we will dive deep into every aspect of the 2025 Kia Motorhome, exploring its exterior design, interior features, performance capabilities, and rich history. This will be your ultimate guide to everything this motorhome has to offer. The 2025 Kia Motorhome presents a futuristic yet highly functional design. Kia has crafted this vehicle to stand out with its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette, ensuring both efficiency and style. At the front, the motorhome boasts Kia's signature tiger nose grille, reimagined for a more aggressive and modern look. This grille is flanked by full LED adaptive headlights, which adjust automatically to road conditions, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. Above the grille, a sleek LED light bar runs across the width of the vehicle, giving it a futuristic appeal. The front bumper is sculpted to improve aerodynamics while maintaining a strong and durable structure. Large air intakes on the sides provide additional cooling for the engine and braking system. The reinforced skid plate ensures protection when navigating rough terrains. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Kia Motorhome exhibits a well-balanced design. The large panoramic windows dominate the side, allowing for maximum natural light inside while providing stunning exterior aesthetics. The electrically operated side door makes entry and exit seamless. Kia has also integrated a retractable awning, offering shade and comfort when parked. The wheel arches are slightly flared, housing multi-terrain all-season tires. Kia has equipped this motorhome with 20-inch alloy wheels. Designed for both style and stability, these wheels enhance the overall ride quality, ensuring smooth handling even on uneven surfaces. At the rear, the motorhome continues to impress, featuring sleek vertical LED taillights, a high-mounted brake light, and a subtle roof spoiler. The vehicle maintains a modern and stylish appearance from all angles. The rear bumper is reinforced with an integrated step, making loading and unloading much easier. A standout feature of the exterior is the solar-paneled roof. This feature allows the motorhome to generate its own electricity, providing sustainable power for onboard systems, making it a game-changer for off-grid travelers. Kia offers the 2025 motorhome in a variety of elegant colors, including pearl white, midnight black, graphite gray, and deep ocean blue. Each of these color options enhances the premium aesthetic of the vehicle while maintaining its rugged and adventure-ready appeal. Step inside the 2025 Kia Motorhome, and you are immediately greeted by a space designed for comfort, luxury, and practicality. Kia has integrated high-end materials, advanced technology, and ergonomic layouts, creating an interior that rivals five-star hotels. The living area is designed to provide both functionality and relaxation. The premium leather seating features contrast stitching, adding a touch of elegance. The seating area is highly flexible, easily converting into a comfortable sleeping space. Large ambient LED lighting strips run along the ceiling, offering customizable mood lighting. The dashboard and cockpit are built with both driver convenience and modern aesthetics in mind. The driver's seat is fully adjustable and features lumbar support for long-distance comfort. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time information, including navigation, fuel economy stats, and driver assistance alerts. At the center, a massive 15-inch infotainment touchscreen controls various vehicle functions, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. Moving to the kitchen area, Kia ensures that travelers have everything they need for on-the-go cooking. The motorhome comes equipped with a high-end induction cooktop, a built-in convection microwave, a compact refrigerator, and deep storage compartments. The countertops are made from scratch-resistant quartz, and the cabinetry features soft, close wooden panels. The bathroom is another highlight of this motorhome. Kia has included a full walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, a smart toilet, and a vanity sink, ensuring all the comforts of home while on the road. The built-in water filtration system provides clean water supply at all times. The bedroom is designed for ultimate relaxation. A queen-size memory foam bed takes center stage, positioned near a panoramic skylight, allowing travelers to enjoy the night sky. A smart climate control system keeps the temperature at ideal levels. Built-in USB charging ports and wireless charging pads ensure that electronic devices remain powered at all times. For storage, the motorhome offers overhead compartments, under-bed storage, and a dedicated wardrobe. Kia has also included hidden storage spaces to keep valuables secure. A standout feature in the interior is the smart home integration system. With simple voice commands, travelers can control the lighting, temperature, entertainment system, and even security settings. Powering the 2025 Kia Motorhome is a 3.5L turbocharged V6 engine, producing 350 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. This engine ensures smooth acceleration and effortless cruising, even when the vehicle is fully loaded. For those looking for an eco-friendly option, Kia also offers a hybrid powertrain, which combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor. This setup delivers enhanced fuel efficiency while significantly reducing emissions. The motorhome is built on a reinforced chassis, providing durability and stability. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for maximum comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Kia has also equipped the vehicle with all-wheel drive, making it capable of handling a variety of terrains. Kia has been making waves in the automotive industry for decades. However, entering the motorhome market marks a new chapter in their history. The company has leveraged its expertise in design, engineering, and technology to create a vehicle that redefines what a modern motorhome should be. Kia's focus on sustainability is evident in this model. The use of solar power, hybrid technology, and energy-efficient systems ensures that travelers can enjoy their journeys with a smaller environmental footprint. From the initial concept to the final production model, Kia has prioritized safety, comfort, and innovation. The 2025 Kia Motorhome is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring a safe driving experience. The 2025 Kia Motorhome is an exceptional blend of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. It offers a stunning exterior design, a premium and highly functional interior, and impressive performance capabilities, making it one of the best motorhomes available today. For those seeking adventure, comfort, and cutting-edge innovation, this motorhome is the perfect choice. Whether you plan to explore the great outdoors or travel in style, Kia has ensured that every detail of this vehicle meets the highest standards. What do you think about the 2025 Kia Motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury 1272 for more in-depth automotive content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.